If you've never gotten your akara right, especially with bean flour, stay with me. I'm going to fix that for you. This is not about adding egg to your consistency. It's all about those little things that don't seem important yet makes all the difference. By the end of this video, you will have akara that is golden brown on the outside and airy soft inside. Definitely worth bragging about. Let's go. So when I first tried akara with bean flour, I messed it up so badly. I added water carelessly, didn't let the batter rest, and ended up with oily flat akara. My family laughed at me, called it bean cookies instead of akara. This would have been my story, but no, because of the experience I've gathered over the years from my grandma. Yeah, she used to make akara for us. I can't just go wrong with it. So enough with the backstories. So let's get right into why your akara is turning out flat and soggy and all of that. Step 1 is your prepping. Let's talk about your prepping. So I found out that where people actually go wrong with their akara, especially with bean flour, is their prepping the batter. So first thing, don't just dump your flour in a bowl and drown it with water. Add a little water at a time and mix slowly. Your akara consistency should be thick but not heavy, almost like your pancake batter. You know, the Nigerian pancake batter? So this is the stage where most people go wrong and wonder why their akara comes out flat. So here is another thing you should take up, and that is the secret of fluffy akara. Whisk air into your batter. That's what I've been doing. Exactly. You saw me stirring and stirring and stirring. That's what I've been doing. That was what I was trying to achieve. Whisking air into my batter. You can use your spoon or mortar or even what do you call it, your whisk. Yeah, what I'm using right now. So it looks like nothing, but honestly it makes the inside soft and airy. Remember, it's not about adding eggs and all of that. Adding eggs to your batter is actually good, but it's about letting the air do the magic, and you just stay and watch. But wait though, before we continue, how do you normally make your akara? With peeled beans or with flour? Drop your answers in the comment section. I would love to know, because I myself am used to the freshly peeled beans, and this is actually the second time I'm trying this beans flour, and girl, it came out really well. So the next thing we'll be talking about is the frying stage. Now let's talk about the oil temperature. Too hot and the outside burns your akara buns while the inside is raw. Too cold, your akara is gonna soak up oil like sponge. The trick, just drop a tiny bit of butter just like you saw me do earlier. If it floats up with bubbles, you're good to go. If it doesn't turn brown almost immediately, you're good to go. Then scoop your batter gently and let the akara form its shape naturally. Don't be too quick to turn that akara over once you put it in there. And once it is done, put in your knife or your skewer. If it comes out clean, that means your akara is ready. But let me ask Cole, do you like your akara small and crunchy or big and fluffy? Because I can remember those days people do fight for those tiny crunchy akara. No, I'm not even a fan. I'm a team fluffy, but I know some people love that extra crunch. Not me though. So what team are you? Let me know in the comments. And here comes our fluffy akara made with bean flour. No eggs, no stress, just simple tricks that work. Look at that texture, golden brown on the outside and airy in the inside. Ooh, honestly I could eat this all day with custard, but bread is another bad combo. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who struggles to make akara. And see you on my next one. Bye.